Forget WhatsApp. Forget Telegram. Forget even Instagram. Elon Musk is building XChat, part of the X super app, and it could be the most powerful digital platform the world has ever seen. This isn't a theory anymore. Musk has confirmed the features, launched beta testing, and is recruiting top engineers globally to build this. What is XChat? XChat is Elon Musk's next-gen AI-powered messaging platform. It's part of the X ecosystem, which includes Twitter, now X, X Payments, and X.AI. XChat will allow text messaging, voice video calls, file sharing, built-in AI assistant powered by Grok, X.AI, payment transfers, live streams, creator monetization, and it's all encrypted, ad-free, and built on the idea of freedom of speech. Musk isn't just building a chat app, he's building the everything app, like WeChat in China, but bigger, decentralized, and open to the world. Shopping, banking, chatting, social media, all in one place. That means one app to chat, pay bills, send money globally, stream live shows, ask AI anything, watch content, and even run your business. Birthdays. XChat will use blockchain-level encryption for security. Data is decentralized. Musk has promised no third-party access, zero ads, and zero data selling, something Facebook and Meta can't say. You control your info. One of the biggest XChat features is Grok, the AI bot trained by Musk's company X.AI. Ask it anything. Let it write for you. Let it explain news, trends, science, or even tell jokes. Grok will live inside the chat window, just like ChatGPT, but personalized and uncensored. XChat isn't just about talking, it's about transacting. Send money instantly, crypto or fiat, to friends, creators, or businesses. Earn money through content. Monetize your audience with ease. Elon is building the infrastructure to kill PayPal, Patreon, and YouTube Super Chats in one shot. XChat could end WhatsApp, Telegram, and even Snapchat because it offers all features in one. It's ad-free, it's faster and encrypted, it has a futuristic design, it's powered by AI, and most importantly, it's backed by Elon Musk's reach, tech team, and followers. If XChat succeeds, it could end app switching forever, create new digital jobs, allow anyone to bank, earn, and live online from one place. Make social media free of corporate manipulation. The future of the internet might be X-shaped, and you'll either join or get left behind.